Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in your Chrysler Town and Country. First, gather your tools: a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Next, safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Finally, locate the oil drain plug and the oil filter on the underside of your vehicle. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient oil change process. Now that your vehicle is ready, it's time to drain the old oil. Position your oil drain pan directly beneath the drain plug. Carefully remove the drain plug with your wrench, being mindful of the hot oil. Allow all the old oil to drain completely into the pan. This usually takes several minutes. Ensure the flow slows to a drip before proceeding. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Remove the old oil filter using your oil filter wrench and install a new one, ensuring it's hand-tight. Next, reinstall and securely tighten the oil drain plug. Finally, add the recommended amount of new engine oil through the filler cap, typically around 5 quarts for this model. You're almost done. Lower your vehicle and check the oil level using the dipstick, adding more if necessary to reach the full mark. Inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter to ensure everything is sealed correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the simple path to wealth and other great deals. This simple maintenance keeps your vehicle running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.